Hi, my name is Rachel Lackey, and I'm a second-year Master of Applied Science student at the University of Guelph in the School of Engineering studying the sources of chloride within an urbanizing watershed. The objective of my research is to determine the possible anthropogenic sources of elevated chloride in groundwater and surface water at sites of various land uses within the Credit River watershed. To achieve this, myself and my fellow researcher Kaylee have established 4 research sites across different land uses within the Credit Valley watershed, as seen on the map. Each site has been instrumented with continuous logging capabilities, but also are visited each month to measure water levels and take grab samples. Our monitoring locations include the Georgetown and Warwick Provincial Groundwater Monitoring Network wells, surface water and groundwater infrastructure that is part of the region of Halton's extensive network at Cedarvale Park, and then a new research site was established in May 2022 at the Mississauga Golf and Country Club that is heavily instrumented with wells, piezometers, and surface water monitoring locations. The preliminary results from May to December 2022 display the average chloride concentrations in groundwater and surface water over various land uses. The urban site, which is the Mississauga Golf Course, has the highest chloride concentrations in groundwater and surface water. These concentrations surpass the acute guideline of 640 milligrams per liter. The agricultural field site, which are the Georgetown PGMN wells, and the urbanizing site at Cedarvale Park have chloride levels that surpass the chronic guideline of 120 milligrams per liter. This slide, I'm going to focus in more on the urban site, so the Mississauga Golf and Country Club. As seen in the site plan on the bottom left, the slide, Wolfdale Creek is a channelized tributary that feeds into the Credit River. The average chloride bromide ratios from May to December 2022 can be seen in the bottom left figure, indicating that the elevated chloride at this site is primarily from wastewater and landfill leachate. This analysis was furthered through evaluation of sample water chemistry and presence of artificial sweeteners. From the sweetener analysis completed in January 2023, it is evident that surface water 4 has the highest levels of acesulfame and saccharin, suggesting this is where the contaminants are entering the site. Dry points 7, 6, and 5, which are circled in light blue on the site map, all display high levels of saccharin, indicating a landfill leachate source. Downstream Wolfdale, also referred to as surface water 2, the levels of both artificial sweeteners have dropped in comparison to upstream Wolfdale at surface water 4 before entering the Credit River, where artificial sweetener concentrations downstream Credit at surface water 3 are greater than upstream Credit at surface water 1, furthering the suggestion that the contamination is entering the site via Wolfdale Creek. So thank you so much for listening. Right now I'm at the golf course sampling, but please feel free to email me any questions, as well as stop by my poster and talk to myself or my colleagues about this project. Thank you so much.